I'm here at Purdue Pharma. It's an exciting pharmaceutical company in Pickering. And I know these are challenging times for all of us. I know some folks are worried about their jobs, and a lot of folks are worried about their savings, and pretty well everybody seems to be anxious these days. I understand that. But I want you to know that there's some good news out here as well. I'm here because we've, as a government, committed $3.9 million to Purdue here. They're going to double their research and development arm of their business here. That means they're going to be hiring some 53 more people, which means great new jobs in this community. And the other great news that we learned today was that Stephen Hawking, that international reputed scientist in England, has decided he's going to come to Ontario at a research institute in Waterloo. So even in these difficult times, we're still attracting great investment and some of the world's best minds. Something else I'm going to ask you to keep in mind. We've been through these kinds of things before. We've overcome different kinds of challenges in the past. And by working together and by supporting one another, we're going to get through it again.